What's up, kamusta mga uncle, mga aunties? No, Uncle Lexi here, back again with another video. May nakita tayong news dito, no? Alleged pastor nabbed at Clark Airport for trafficking Filipinos to Cambodia. I don't know kung may direct flight ba ang Philippines to Cambodia, but usually dalawang path kasi yan either Vietnam or Thailand. But most probably, I think this time Vietnam talaga yung medyo open and hindi strict ang border dahil may alitan ang Thailand and ang Cambodia. So sa mga Filipinos out there, if merong job opportunities na Cambodia ang ruta, you have to be very careful, mag-research kayo kasi super talamak ang human trafficking sa Cambodia. Hindi ako naninira guys ha, naririnig ko to na usapan and may nakita akong mga reports regarding this one, and most especially mga kaibigan kong Vietnamese nagtotalk din about nito. So if ever may mga offers na medyo too good to be true na Cambodia ang ruta or any country, kailangan maging careful tayo guys. No? Safety is our number one priority, and if too good to be true, i-check nyo sa OWA or sa DFA or any sector na nag-aano about work abroad para sure kayong safe na safe yung ina-applyan yung trabaho sa abroad. So that's it for today mga uncle, mga aunties. Uncle Lexi, Mamba out.